Angie, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing great and staying safe. So for today's video, you guys, I want to do a little haul. So here where I live, the stores have and the restaurants have started reopening. So I was excited because there were a few things that I needed to go out and get. Yeah, there weren't emergencies, but I really wanted to go out and get them. And when I heard that the stores were gonna start reopening, my husband and I got in our car and we went. So but yeah, all the stores are obviously asking us to respect the 6 feet distance from each other and to wear a mask, so it was all good. So yeah, anyway, so if you guys want to see what it is I bought on this little shopping trip, just stay tuned and watch. Okay guys, so the first store I want to start with is TJ Maxx. So here it is. Here's the bag. And you guys, they had such good sales. I didn't go right away because they did have a line at first, and like I said, we did want to get some of these things, but they weren't emergencies, so I didn't find it to make sense to stand in line for as long as they were standing there for to get these things, because you guys, there's plenty for everybody. We're all gonna get what we need. So let's all just take a deep breath. Okay, so let me see. You guys, I have been wanting to buy a white pair of Converse, and you can imagine my delight when I saw these really cute pair of Converse at TJ Maxx. I was so excited. I was so excited. Especially because of the price, you guys. These were going for $29.99, and they had a bunch of sizes. I don't think they had any halves, like 5.5 or 6.5. I don't think I saw any of those, but if they did, my bad. I just didn't see them. But yeah, I got them in a size 6. And they fit really good, and I want to wear these without socks because I just think they look cuter without socks. Am I being weird? Well, if I'm being weird, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I got these. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, guys, so the downstairs restroom, we have been wanting to kind of make it look a little bit more welcoming, you can say. It's a little bare, but it's okay. I mean, it works fine, for crying out loud. Putting a rug and hand towel is not gonna stop it from being functional, but we do want to make it a little bit more inviting. And the color is a little, on the wall is like a dark blue, and then the halfway and then the other half is like a tile type of wall, like it has tile on it. And then it has, in front of the sink, it has a white sink, and in front of the sink it has a mirror, and the mirror is gray. So we basically went off of the color of the mirror because it just, it's light and it just ties in the bathroom. That color makes the bathroom look really nice. So I went ahead and got 2 of these gray hand towels right here, and they're really soft, you guys, and they weren't a bad price. Let's see. They're 87% cotton, so that's not bad. So they're really nice. They're really soft, and they were both $4.99. So really good deal right there. And we also got this really nice rug for the floor because the floor is also tile. And there's times, you guys, where I'm wearing sandals and I take them off to like put my feet up on the couch and relax, and then I have to go to the restroom, and the restroom is super cold. And you can imagine how cold the floor is. So a nice little rug for that bathroom, and of course for a little bit more decor, it's gonna look great. What else? Oh yes, and last but not least, I also got, my husband has a picture of us in his office. It just doesn't have a picture frame, so we went ahead and picked up this picture frame right here. We liked it because it's really sleek and just simple. That's what we wanted. And it just has the gold hardware and a little gold stand, so you can put the frame down. And it was $5.99, so that's actually not bad, because sometimes picture frames, you guys, are really expensive. So the next store, you guys, is gonna be JCPenney. Here's the bag. So I didn't get anything for myself here. Oh, poor me. Anyway, but I did get my dad's part of my dad's Father's Day gift, and then I also bought my cousin something as well, and that is Levi jeans. You guys, they were such a good price. They were 35. Hold on, where's the receipt? Nope. Ah, here it is. So The jeans originally were $59.50 and they were discounted at, let me see, 20% off, 25? I don't know, but the point is that I ended up being on for $35.70. My brain is not in the mood to do math right now. So basically it was a $23 savings. So I got my dad 2 pairs. I got him this black pair right here. They're the 501s. So I got him this pair. And I also got him this other pair right here. This blue pair. So he did want 2 pairs, but he wanted a dark blue denim jean and then he wanted a light blue denim jean. And they didn't really have a light wash. I don't know if they make them that light for men. I'm pretty sure they do, but we didn't find any. So we just went ahead and got him a black pair. And my husband also went ahead and got a pair of 501s in black as well. And then also, you guys, I forgot to mention, I did get my dad 2 t-shirts at TJ Maxx for Father's Day as well. I got him this white Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt right here, and I also got him this other t-shirt, but this one's Polo by Ralph Lauren. It's right here. It's blue with like lighter blue stripes, and each of the shirts were the Tommy Hilfiger was $12.99 and the Polo was $16.99. So that was actually really good as well. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, so the next store is gonna be ZARA, and here it is. So you guys, I was so happy when I saw the store open again. I was like, hi ZARA, you missed me as much as I missed you? No? Okay, that's fine. But anyway, I did pick up this pretty black lace top here. It's really, really pretty, you guys. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear it. It's so pretty. It is see-through. There isn't a cover under it, but you can always wear it with the little cami under and you'll be good to go. I got it in a size small, and this one was $12.99. And also from ZARA, I picked up this really pretty jacket right here. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I can't wait to wear this with a really nice pair of jeans to take it out to dinner. It's just so pretty. As soon as I saw it on the rack, I told my husband, oh my gosh, I cannot walk out of here without this jacket. I mean, it's not gonna be the end of the world if I don't get it, but I really want to get it. So maybe I should get it, and I did. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Just kidding. Anyway, so yeah, so I went ahead and bought it. I got it in a size small as well, and this one was $39.99. Alright, so that's it for ZARA, and now we're gonna do JCPenney. No, I already did JCPenney. Forever 21, sorry. Alright guys, so our next store is Forever 21, and here is the bag. And let's see, where is he first? Oh yes, so first I got this really pretty t-shirt that has the Loteria card of the rose on it. It's really, really cute. It's a simple little top that you can just wear with a nice pair of denim shorts. It could be the blue color, white denim, and some nice cute sandals, or even some like really nice tennis shoes, you guys. It's gonna look really, really nice. Can't wait to wear it this summer. Also from Forever 21, oh yes guys, I got these 2 little basic camis. So see, this is what I was talking about to wear under the top that I bought at ZARA. This will work just perfect with it. I got 2 of these. I got one in black and then one in white, because these are the 2 colors that I wear the most. I don't know why. I always notice I hardly have color in my closet, but it's okay. We make it work. And then also for myself, I bought these 2 little, I want to say chiffon material, but they're really silky. They're really smooth. And these tops, you guys, I love because I feel that you can dress them up and dress them down and they look amazing. They're really easy to wear. You could just, I mean, if you're, for example, well, yeah, they're really easy to wear and really pretty. I got this little mauve pink color, and I also got it in the in black. See, here it is. You guys, black is just so elegant. Like, black clothing looks so pretty and so elegant, and that's the same thing I like about white. I mean, it just looks nice anywhere you wear it. It just looks so pretty. So yeah, I can't wait to make some really nice outfits with those. Also, let's see, what else did I get? Oh yeah, I got 3 little accessories for myself, starting with this gorgeous quilted purse right here. It's really nice, you guys. It has this silver hardware for you strap for you to hang your purse over your shoulder, and then the little clasps here that you just switch like that and open it, and then this is how it looks from the inside. It just has a little zipper coin pouch here, and then these 2 side ones here, and it's really nice. And I can't, of course I can't wait to use it, you guys. I think it's gorgeous, and I have been wanting a bag like this for so long, so I'm so glad I finally have one. And then also I went ahead and got this cute little scrunchie with these little pearls, just, you know, put my hair up in a cute bun and then accessorize my hair a little. Why not? Let's not forget about our hair, because our hair can do wonders for us. Wonders. And I also got this really nice pair of earrings right here. They're very pretty. And like I said, you guys, wearing like a nice simple top and then having your hair up in a bun with these like earrings, it just makes you look like you put more effort into your outfit than you really did. And it's as easy as just putting a really nice statement earring like this one. So really happy I got those. And oh yeah, I also got some things for my sisters. For one of my sisters, I got this Loteria shirt here. It's one of the like the whole cards. If you guys don't know what Loteria is, you guys, it's basically like the game of bingo, where they call out the cards. Here, see? They have cards like this, like that, like that. They basically call out the card, what it is, the picture on the card, and then you have a card that has all of them like this, and you basically play bingo. So I got her that. And I also got her, she said she needed a white pair of sandals, so I got her a white pair of sandals. And I got her these. These are, you guys, I was FaceTiming her. I said, what do you need? What do you want me to get for you? And I literally was walking around like a dork around the store, just showing her stuff that they had. And she was just like, oh, that one. Oh, that one. That looks good too. So these are the ones that she ended up picking out. So I got her these. And for my other sister, you guys, I don't know how this kid does it, but she cannot for her life be able to put away or somehow maintain the quantity of her hair scrunchies. If losing them were an Olympic sport, that kid will have the gold medal. No joke. So I went ahead and got her these here. These are the Hair Goods Ponytail scrunchies, I guess, and they look like the old school telephone cords. You guys remember those that you would like? They were really long and you can go anywhere in the house with them. Yeah, so that's how they look like. And they're like in this 3 little champagne color, like gold, rose gold, and another lighter rose gold color. So I got her these. These were $2.90. Alright guys, so that's it. That's my haul. That's all I bought. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys come back next week to see another video. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.